Right now, many of the businesses that we speak to are facing the same pressure: reduce energy costs, deliver on net zero targets, and build resilience into their operations. The challenge is doing all three at the same time. This is where energy flexibility comes in. In simple terms, this means being able to reduce or shift your energy use without disruption to your operations when the grid needs your support. This kind of smart energy use is already being rewarded in the capacity market, where large energy users such as manufacturers are earning significant new revenue for providing flexibility during critical times. And the best part? Many of our customers already have the assets in place to do this, such as chillers, heaters, electrolysers, and air compressors. These assets simply need to be optimized. One question we're often asked is, how can energy flexibility support our ESG goals or science-based targets? And the answer is, in more ways than one. Flexibility helps demonstrate that your business is actively contributing to a grid stability and energy resilience, something that's becoming increasingly important in ESG reporting, procurement processes, and in investment decisions. We've also seen customers use the revenue earned through the capacity market to fund on-site renewables such as solar, battery storage, and other initiatives that directly support their decarbonisation strategies. If your business is under pressure to hit their decarbonisation targets, strengthen your business case, or unlock value from your energy strategy, this is a conversation worth having.